In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make 2 Telegram accounts with the same number. This might seem like a tricky task, but with some clever workarounds, you'll be able to do this without a hitch. Let's get started. First, you'll want to ensure that you have the Telegram app installed on your device. If you haven't downloaded it yet, head to your App Store on either iOS or Android and search for Telegram. Once you've found it, download and install the app onto your phone. After installation, proceed to open the app. You'll be greeted with a welcome screen where you'll need to tap on the button to start messaging. At this point, you'll be prompted to enter your phone number. Enter the number you'd like to use for your Telegram account. After pressing Next, Telegram will send you a verification code via SMS. Enter this code when prompted to verify your phone number and gain access to Telegram. Now that you have your first Telegram account set up, it's time to make the second account using the same number. This is where a different approach comes into play. You'll need to download a third-party app that allows multiple accounts on one device. There are various apps available, such as Parallel Space or Dual Space, which are popular choices. These applications create a virtual environment on your device that enables you to run a second instance of Telegram. Go to your App Store, search for one of these apps, and download it. Once installed, open the app. You'll be guided through some initial setup steps, and then you'll be able to clone apps. Here, you'll choose Telegram from the list of apps you want to clone. The cloning process might take a few moments, but it usually doesn't take too long. After the app is cloned successfully, you'll see a separate version of Telegram within this virtual space. Tap on it to open. Just like the first time, you'll need to set up Telegram. Enter the same phone number you used for your initial account. Expect to receive yet another SMS with a verification code. Make sure you enter this code correctly. Once verified, you now have 2 Telegram accounts using the same phone number running simultaneously on your device. This setup enables you to switch between accounts effortlessly, manage different conversations easily, and maintain whatever level of engagement you need across both profiles. While managing dual accounts, be mindful of the app permissions to ensure your privacy and data security. And there you have it, 2 Telegram accounts using the same number made simple. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.